Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Craftsman Air Compressor Parts is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your workshop or home projects, ensuring your air compressor runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. This video will guide you through the essential components, highlighting key features and functionalities to help you make informed decisions based on your specific needs and applications, covering everything from tanks and pumps to pressure switches and safety valves. Number 5. Bonbo K0650 Compressor Kit. This kit is compatible with many brands of oil-free air compressors, including Craftsman, DeVilbiss, and Porter Cable. It's a perfect fit for various models, ensuring a wide range of applications. It's a direct replacement for the OEM part, matching quality and function. This kit will extend the life of your compressor and save you money on a new one. The kit includes a coated cylinder sleeve, a coated oil-free piston ring, and all the necessary O-rings and screws for a complete repair. The cylinder sleeve is made from high-strength steel for durability, while the rings and O-rings are made from high-quality rubber for a perfect seal. We're confident you'll be satisfied. If not, simply return it within 30 days for a full refund. Contact us with any questions, we're here to help. It is designed for easy and proper servicing of your oil-free air compressor pump. This ensures a quick and efficient repair process. What we like. It works with numerous brands and models. This kit is a direct replacement for your old parts, extending your compressor's lifespan. If you need a reliable, comprehensive replacement kit for your oil-free air compressor, this is the one for you. What people say. The fit was spot on. Was easy to install and the quality was great. This size sleeve is smaller than the more common size used on a lot of the larger oil-less units. Had to measure the inside diameter of sleeve to be certain to get the right size. Also included was a replace piston sealing ring to match the cylinder size. This allowed me to get my compressor up and running with minimum effort. Much higher quality than I expected. Cylinder sleeve is chrome steel versus the original that was only coated aluminum. It was a perfect fit, easy to install and saved me huge amount of money not buying a new compressor. Being chrome steel, it should outlast the rest of the compressor. Number 4. K0650 Air Compressor Kit. This kit is a direct replacement for your old parts, ensuring your air compressor runs smoothly and efficiently. It's compatible with many popular brands, making it a versatile choice for various air compressor models. It works with single and twin-cylinder oil-free pumps from DeVilbiss, Porter Cable, Craftsman, and more. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This kit is designed to match the quality and function of the original equipment manufacturer's parts. It's built to last and restore peak performance to your air compressor. The kit includes everything you need for a straightforward replacement. However, for dual-cylinder pumps, it's recommended to replace both cylinder liner and piston rings simultaneously for balanced air output. You'll receive a coated cylinder sleeve, a coated oil-free piston ring, a piston rod cap screw, and 2 O-rings. Everything needed for a complete repair is included in one convenient kit. Don't let a faulty cylinder ring slow you down. This kit provides a simple and effective solution to get your air compressor back to its optimal performance. Order yours today. What we like. It's a perfect substitute for your original parts. It's designed for easy and proper servicing of your oil-free air compressor pump. If you prioritize a straightforward, high-quality replacement for your air compressor, this is a great choice. What people say. After replacing this piston and ring for the air system, my compressor is like new. It took me about 35 minutes. The parts were exactly what I needed. Works like a champ. Old DeVilbiss PAF 430-1 oilless 4 horsepower 30 gallons. Entire job, teardown to test took 45 minutes, took 4 minutes to get to 150 psi. Fantastic value, new life for old equipment. Item came with all parts needed to do repair. Number 3. KK4835 Compressor Kit. This kit is a direct replacement for your worn-out air compressor parts, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation. It fits various brands like Craftsman, Porter Cable, DeVilbiss, and DeWalt, making it a versatile solution for your repair needs. The kit includes a connecting rod, piston ring, cylinder sleeve, and O-rings, everything you need for a complete replacement. Made from high-strength 6061 aluminum with a black coating, it's built to withstand high pressure and provide long-lasting performance. It's manufactured using CNC processes for precision and durability, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable operation. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort during the repair process. What we like. Made from super tough aluminum, it can handle tons of pressure. This kit includes everything you need for a complete piston replacement. If you need a durable and long-lasting replacement for your air compressor piston, this is the best option. Number 2. ZAC0032 Compressor Valve Plate Kit. It's compatible with various brands like Craftsman, DeWalt, and Black & Decker. It's a perfect fit for 2 to 3 8-cylinder bore units. This kit is an alternative to several part numbers, offering the same function and performance. It's a simple swap for your old valve plate. It's made with high-quality steel and aluminum, and features durable chrome plating. This ensures a long lifespan and resistance to wear and tear. The design incorporates a single O-ring and integrates several components. This simplifies installation and improves performance. Replacing your old valve plate is easy. No special tools are needed, and installation instructions are included. If there are any issues with your order, simply contact us. We'll resolve any problems quickly. What we like. It's compatible with many popular air compressor brands. It features an upgraded design for improved performance and longevity. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, high-quality valve plate replacement, this is it. What people say. Straightforward, remove and replace, and restored my compressor to producing much higher pressure. The plate arrived and the plate size was an exact match, and the reeds and valves all seem to be the same except for a few things. I have a 1993 Craftsman 25-gallon 4 HP compressor, and it has a 2 to 3 8-cylinder bore. Finding parts for this compressor is practically impossible. So I bought this valve kit on a whim, hoping it would fit based on this valve plate being for a 2 to 3 8-cylinder bore. Number 1. Craftsman D27253 Compressor Regulator. Introducing the Craftsman D27253 Compressor Regulator, a vital component for maintaining optimal air pressure. It's designed for reliable performance and easy installation. This regulator is compatible with Craftsman compressor models 165570 and 167783. Ensure you're using the correct part for your specific compressor model. It's the perfect replacement part if your current regulator is malfunctioning or damaged. This will restore your compressor to peak efficiency. It measures 4 inches long, 2 inches wide, and 2 inches high. Its compact size makes it easy to install and integrate into your existing setup. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle during installation or replacement. This makes maintenance quick and simple. This regulator is designed for straightforward installation. You can quickly replace your old regulator and get back to work. What we like. It's a perfect fit for specific Craftsman compressor models. It's simple to install and built to last. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install regulator for your Craftsman air compressor, this is the one. What people say. Fits fine, no leaks, and reused old fittings. Exact fit for leaking Craftsman air compressor. With this Craftsman compressor pressure regulator I experienced no issues. Installation was easy, although the printed directions were not very clear and could have been much better. The regulator valve itself needed to be adjusted the first time the compressor filled up, as one would expect, but that part went perfectly as well. The unit does not leak and adjusts easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.